Hi.
I have some questions for you. Could you please show me around about this map?
Yeah,
First.
absolutely. So what we're setting up in here is an advanced manufacturing line. So I think we'll work our way around these people. Lots of sneak past. We're setting up a 3D printing automated station with some autonomous vehicles to deliver parts, and then finally an assembly station. So if we come around here, we are pairing our 3D printers, our Bamboo Lab X1Es, with smart UR cobot and a linear rail system so that he can address every printer, so that whenever a print finishes, if it's 2 a.m., 3 p.m., if I'm not here, I don't want to be here to deal with it, he can just take it out for me. He can also then grab a fresh build plate, put it back, close the door, and the next one can start. So there's no downtime with 3D printing, which is one of the big troubles. Because if I start a job in the middle of the day, it could finish at midnight when I'm not here to deal with that. Whereas with this, I can just come in the morning and there's a box full of parts for me.
Yes, he works 24 hours.
24 hours a day, as long as he's fed his material. So once he's printed his parts and they've been taken off, we have an Omron AMV that would come around autonomously and collect the parts.
Can our students use this equipment?
Yes, absolutely. So so we're setting this up as a single line production, and we're inviting students to come in and do their honors and master's thesis, their summer projects, or just regular projects, to come in and work and upgrade on this, and get in here, get their hands into the machines and actually build something and do something with it. That will apply to industry. We've already had a student come through and use one of the autonomous vehicles with a camera on it to drive behind the printers and actually check the amount of filament left, and then go and get some more if it needs it.
Yeah, as we know, for the field of robotics, it is promising. It's a promising industry. So if our students want to study the robotics, do they need to have strong background for the math and physics?
So math and physics was what I did for when I did my study. But when I came here, I had no programming, no real soldering, no computer-aided design. There was no 3D printing when I did it. So we do teach from ground up, but having a stronger maths and physics background will definitely help.
For the entry requirements, will the physics or math be the prerequisite?
I'd say maths. Considering what I've done throughout my degree, maths is the tougher one for me at least.
How about the master degree? If they want to study the Master of Robotics in Flinders, do they need to have relative bachelor background?
I would assume so, unfortunately.
Our school provides the students with some placements and industry.
So as part of all of our degrees, we do a 20-week engineering practicum, which is a 20-week placement where you go out and work for a company in the industry and actually get real-world experience.
As we know, we study at Tonsley campus and we see many industries.
Yeah, so Tonsley is a really nice just hub of engineering and technology. We have some of the most prominent businesses in Australia here, and it's a really good local representation of things, and they do take a lot of our students as well, which is incredible.
Industries, or what companies will our students to give them the placement?
It does come down to the student at what they want to do, but we do have Red Arc and Sage here who do take quite a lot of our students.
They have the interview when they enter into the placement.
Some placements are also paid as well. One of my friends did a placement with a local company where they did metal 3D printing and design, and they got to do a whole bunch of that, which was really fun for them. So 3D printing, but in actual metal, like stainless steel and titanium.
记得点赞关注哦。